colors that we're using are Titanium White, Hansa Yellow Medium, Vermillion Hue, Cadmium Red Hue, Yellow Green Light, Cerulean Blue, and Carbon Black. Carbon Black is not going to be in the dirty pour. We're going to use a 7 ounces cup, and we're going to use the mix that has 2 parts of Liquitex, 2 parts of GAC, 1 part of Easy Flow, and 2 parts of Sargent. I am doing large circles this time because I want to have larger ribbons. Now, I'm not moving it on the middle because I don't want ribbons on the path of light. Okay, let's move this baby very slowly. This way, and then the other way. We have pink this time. Let's bring some blue out, and let's bring some more in here. This is why you do it whatever way you want it to be. Stretch it a tiny bit in there. There. Now I want to get it stretched the other way. In this type of painting, you have to play with your thread ring and make it whatever shape you want it to be. bring it back. I think that's what I like. Now I'm gonna finish filling the edges, and I'm gonna torch because last time that I used this pouring mix, how do you say, it cracked. So I'm gonna see if I torch it, it might not crack. Okay, so let's torch it. Might bring some cells, but it's gonna prevent the cracking probably. I don't know if it's gonna prevent it or not, but ooh, I love what is happening in there. All those cells coming on the blue. Okay, so I'm going to finish filling the edges with the black, and this is it. I think this is the most beautiful pour ever. It dried wonderful. The colors are so vibrant, and it has not been varnished, but it doesn't need any varnish. It's so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. I hope you like it. It really is alive. Thank you for joining me.